In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a witness in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Start or Send an Envelope. This is where you begin creating a document package for signatures. Next, upload the document that requires a witness. Make sure you're selecting the correct file before moving on, since this is the version that will be sent to everyone involved in the signing process. After the document is uploaded, enter the primary signer's name and email address. This is the person who will sign the document as the main recipient. Then add the witness as an additional recipient by entering the witness's name and email address as well. Be careful here, because the signer and the witness need to be set up as separate recipients, so each person receives the correct fields. Once both recipients have been added, assign the appropriate signing order or recipient role to the witness. This is important because it determines when the witness receives the document and how DocuSign treats that recipient in the workflow. Now select Next to open the document editor. In the editor, add the required signature and initials fields for the primary signer. Place each field in the correct location on the document, so the signer knows exactly where to complete their part. After that, add the required signature field for the witness. Once the witness field is placed, make sure it is assigned to the witness recipient and not to the primary signer. If the assignment is incorrect, the wrong person will be prompted to sign that section, so it's worth double checking before continuing. If the witness needs to complete anything else, such as additional required fields, add those now. Then review the document carefully and verify that all witness fields are assigned correctly and appear in the proper places. When everything looks good, select Next or Send to continue. On the review screen, take a final look at the recipients and the signing order. This is your last chance to confirm that the primary signer and witness are listed correctly and will receive the envelope in the right sequence. Once you've confirmed everything, select Send. After sending, verify that both the primary signer and the witness received the signing request. Finally, go to the Manage section and check the envelope status so you can track progress and confirm whether the document has been viewed, signed or completed. Thanks for watching.